Okay, good morning to all. So in yesterday lecture, we are covered mass flow meter. Good morning to all. So yesterday lecture, we are covered mass flow meter. In only 2 points are remaining in that chapter. This is calories meter. This is one of the type of turbine flow meter and magnetic flow meter. These are the two types of turbine flow meter. Okay. So in calories flow meter, they are contained tube which is enlarged by a fixed vibration. Means mass flow meter. This is one of the also based on the tube vibration. When a fluid or gas liquid passes through the tube, or mass flow momentum will causes the change in tube position, and they are converted in vibration. The tube will twist, resulting in the phase shift. Here, when you passes the fluid in that tube, the tube get vibrated or get some momentum with mass of this fluid or liquid. Then we can determine the value of mass flow rate from the flow condition. Here, to determine the mass flow rate with the help of that condition, a unit checked by area x means length divided by time into time, area into length, means you have to find out the volume. Aniket Sarvale, TYB, roll number 43. Okay. So mass flow meter is also known as a measure flow rate. They have to measure the flow rate of a fluid traveling through the tube, and the mass flow rate is mass of fluid traveling past a fixed point per unit time. They are already discussed in yesterday's lecture. Here, magnetic flow meters are increasingly taking place of the traditional mechanical flow meter designs. When they both flow meters measure the flow of liquid in a pipe, that they show the different ways. Okay. So magnetic flow meters calculate the velocity of moving subtracting Faraday's law. Okay. So here we are covered the third unit in our subject instrumentation and control. Instrumentation part is covered. Okay. So first section is covered. First section is based on the instrumentation, and second section is totally based on the control. Means where there are instruments or machineries are used in the industry, any industry, these instruments which is based on the various principles and control systems. Okay, so our second section is totally based on the control, means instrumentation and control. So in control system, our first topic is second section. So our unit number 4 is introduction of control system. In that introduction of control system, automatic control, open loop and closed loop, feedback control system, modern control system, modes of control, in that P control, PI plus control and PID control. Then second point is block diagram algebra. In that general presentation of a feedback control system, transfer function, rules of block diagram algebra, reducing of block diagram to obtain closed loop, transfer function, and third part of this chapter, steady state response, transition response, system ability, stability, means route criteria, then say state space representation, only introduction, not problems. Okay, so write down the syllabus of this second section, unit number 4, introduction of control system. Okay, introduction of control system. Write down the syllabus of introduction of control system, unit number 4. Automatic control, comma, open loop and closed loop, open loop and closed loop, bracket feedback control system, comma, modern control system, comma, modes of controls, modes of controls, modes of controls, in that P control, PI control and PID control. Modes of control, in that P control, PI control and PID control. Okay. Next para, block diagram algebra. In that, general representation of feedback control system, general representation of feedback control system, transfer functions, rules of block diagram algebra, rules of block diagram algebra, reduction of block diagram to obtain closed loop transfer function. To obtain closed loop transfer function. Then next para, steady state response, steady state response, then transient response, then system stability, in bracket route criteria, bracket complete, and last point, state space representation, state space representation. Introduction only. So this is the syllabus of section second, unit number 4, introduction of control system. Okay. See the content of control system, introduction of control system, need of control system, manual and automatic control system, open loop control system, closed loop control system, and modern control system. Okay. So first point, introduction of control system. See the block diagram. Here input, process, output, and there feedback is there. Means control system is based on the basic four parameters: input, process, output, and feedback. Okay. So in control system manages, command, direct, or regulates the behavior of the devices of system using control loop. This is control loop. Okay. So control system is one of which can control any quantity of interest in the mechanism or other equipment in order to achieve the desired performance or output. Okay. Means you have to you are sitting in room and room temperature and outside the room temperature, so you have to maintain room temperature that you are feeling well. Okay. So here example, speed. Automobile, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, accelerometer speed. This is one of the example of the control system. So function of the position of the accelerometer, then the desired speed can be maintained or design change in speed can be achieved by controlling the pressure on the accelerometer pedal. Means you apply pressure on accelerometer pedal, your vehicle speed is increased, and you have to remove accelerator pedal pressure, your vehicle speed is reduced. Means this is one of the example of control system. This automobile driving system at accelerometer, carburetor, and engine vehicle constitute a control system. Means whole automobile system is totally based on the control system in various control system. Okay. So draw this diagram, give the heading control system, and draw this diagram, block diagram, input, process, output, and feedback. So write down in control system, introduction of control system. A control system can control any quantity of interest in a mechanism or other equipment in order to achieve the desired performance or output. Okay. Next line. A control system in an interconnection of components. A control system in an interconnection of components connected or related connected or related in such a manner as to command direct or regulate itself or another system. Itself or another system. Okay. This is the introduction of control system. For example, consider the driving system of automobile. For example, consider the driving system of automobile. Speed of the automobile is the function of speed of the automobile is a function of the position of its accelerator. Full stop and next line. The desired speed can be maintained in bracket or a desired change in speed can be achieved in bracket or a desired change in speed can be achieved bracket complete by controlling pressure on the accelerator pedal on the accelerator pedal. Okay. Next point is need of control. Okay. So one of the example of fan. See the input 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply. This fan system airflow. This is our output. Means this is our instrument fan. In that fan you have to input supply given 230 volts 50 hertz AC supply, and this fan system works and output is the airflow. Okay, it's the example. So control system, you have to use control system, find out the regulation or speed to maintain the temperature or passing the airflow. See the details. So the fan blades, but without regulate can be system because it can be provided output. Means fan gives you output as an airflow. But if you have not used the control system, you do not get the desired output. Okay, means you have to not given the input 230 volts AC supply. The fan do not rotate at proper way, and they do not pass the airflow. Means output will be not get. So that's why any instrument, any machines, any machinery or any equipment require control system. So if you have not given to control system, they are not gives proper or desired output. Okay, see one example, another details in the control system. So output is that control system is the basic need or backbone of this any instrument or any machine. So also see the heating of air conditioning controlled by the thermostat. So in section first, thermostat, we are studying. So thermostat is used to measure the temperature or control the temperature. The diagram display the air conditioning temperature up and down with the help of this control system. This example is already studied. The speed control of the automobile. When you apply pressure on the accelerator pedal, your vehicle speed is increased, and you have to remove pressure on the accelerator pedal, your vehicle speed is reduced. Okay. So this is manual control system and automatic control system. This next part is open loop control system and closed loop control system. Before starting this open loop and closed loop control system, we are going to study the what is the need of control system, why control system is required. Okay. So here manual control system is the opening or closing of window for regulating air temperature or air quantity, or also activating switches, means light light switches on off to regulate the illumination in a room. Means human activity like controlling the body temperature and heat in the surrounding environment. See the diagram. Here two description is there: body temperature falls and body temperature rise. Okay, so normally body temperature will be in the approximate or consider as a 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, the body temperature, and our room temperature is summer season different room temperature, winter season different room temperature. Current situation room temperature is as about 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, So here normal body temperature is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Huh? Exact is 37 degrees Celsius, I think. So our blood vessels construct so that the heat is conserved. Sweat gland do not secrete fluid, or shivering means involuntary contraction of muscles generate heat which warm the body. Okay. So warming the body means heat is retained. Then room temperature rises. Body vessels dilate resulting in the heat loss to the environment. Sweat glands secrete fluid. As the fluid evaporates, heat is lost from the body. Okay. Then heat is lost to the environment. Means your body temperature is rises. Okay. This is manual control system. Opening or closing the window, switching on or switching off the lights. And this diagram or this picture shows the automatic control system. Okay. See the automatic traffic control system. Here first block diagram is show the automatic traffic control system. Yogesh Avtade, still lecture going on. Why you are placing your roll number here? Okay. Second diagram display the vehicle control system. In current research, current means Tesla vehicle is totally based on the IoT, means Internet of Things. Totally automation is there. They are also known as driverless cars. Then here, this diagram display the guiding the missiles. Also manufacturing process is totally based on the robotics. Manpower is totally reduced and automation is introduced. So that's why there where their automation are used, control system is based or control system is required to regulate this or maintain this total process. Control system is required. Okay. So basic control system is 4 component is there. First one is input, second one is output, third one is a system feedback system. Okay. So input when means you have to start your room fan. So input is required means 230 volt current AC supply is required to start the or rotate the fan. Input is required. Then output. So output will be get the airflow. Means this you have to supply input 230 volt or 50 hertz to the fan means system. These fans rotate and output will be the airflow. Okay. So basic component of control system is input, output, and system. Okay. These are the basic component of control system. Okay. So write down the basic component of control system. There is no need for write down the need of control. Okay. Introduction part will be already written. So there is no need to write down the need of control system. Write down the basic component of control system. Write down the basic component of control system. Input. First one, input. In that, write down the stimulus or excitations. The stimulus or excitation applied to a control system applied to a control system from an external source in order to produce the output is called as input. For example, a switch to glow a lamp. For example, a switch to glow a lamp. Also draw this block diagram. Input. And the second, output. The actual response obtained from a system is called as output. For example, glowing a lamp after switch is made on. Glowing a lamp after switch is made on. And third component is system. Write down. A system is an arrangement or a combination of different physical components connected or related in such a manner so as to form the entire unit to provide a certain objective. Okay.